What if I told you their sugarcane juice smell like durian? Or the green veg drink with the name so strong, it's like to punch right out of your body. Today I'm taking on the ultimate challenge. Find out 5 of the most unique local drinks you can find in the street of Hanoi. Some are sweet, some are weird. One might change your life or ruin your day. From butterfly pea Longan coconut that looks like a magic potion to roasted corn juice, it tastes like a grandma hug in a cup. And finally, sour Dracontomelon juice. And yes, that's a real fruit, and that will slap you awake better than your ex ever could. This is street food challenge with Mai, and today we will drinking Hanoi, one weird sip at a time. And here is a fruity and totally photogenic drink. It's called butterfly pea Longan coconut. This drink might just be the most beautiful thing I've ever seen all day. Look at that gradient from the deep indigo to cloudy white. It's like a sunset melting into the coconut milk. This butterfly pea Longan coconut, I have to say the name one more time because this is like the poem, and the drink in here is just look like the magic. Oh, that's creamy. The coconut will hit you first, very smooth and rich, and then you can feel a floral note from the butterfly pea, and finally it's a Longan flavor. This one is not just a drink, it's an experience. It's cooling, calming, and kind of romantic. Honestly, I came here to find out the weird drink, but I found a glass of art instead. So with this one, visual is 10 out of 10, flavor around 8, but Instagram word it is 100 out of 10. Welcome to Longan, Hanoi old blacksmith street shop. But I'm here not to buying sword, I'm here to find out the juice. And this drink is called Nước ép rau má, Pennywort juice, super green and super healthy. Vietnamese people love this one because the cooling effect. This is very suitable for after you have a heavy meal or sometimes like get a bit heated. It smells like fresh grass and good. It looks like a matcha, but the taste left fire out. That's not bad. It's grassy, a little bit bitter, cold, and strangely refreshing. Like if green tea and celery have a baby, but the baby went to the yoga class and now think it's better than you. I kinda like this. They taste like clean, like detox, and there's something calming about this, like the moment you stop and slow down to take a break. Refreshing, earthy, and addictive. I will give this one 9 out of 10. Alright, to drink in and no regret. but there's something to tell me that we need to have something weirder. Oh my god, it's so rain! I'll be back in another day. Today the weather is better, so I'm here to continue the journey, find out 5 of the most unique drink in Hanoi. Follow me to find out what is that. Alright, stop number 3 and we are kicking things off with something truly wild. Smells sweet, funky. It's like sugarcane meets durian and now they are dating. Ladies and gentlemen, this is durian sugarcane juice. A love story no one asked for, but here we are. I love sugarcane, but I fear durian. This could go either way. Wow, that was not what I expected. Hold up, this is actually kind of amazing. Durian flavor is lit, but the sugarcane balance it out. It's really, but it's so creamy and refreshing at the same time. It's like a tropical milkshake from another dimension. I came here for supper. I end up liking it. Hanoi, what you do to me? Sweet, surprise, and so strong. I rate this one is 8.5 out of 10. If you hate durian, you will be scared. But if you love durian, you will cry tear of joy. If you never try either, this is the most confusing thing you ever drink. But it's really delicious. Okay, let's go to the number 4. Maybe you are very familiar with popcorn or the further thing or the grilled corn, but have you ever tried the liquid from the corn? This one is boiled corn juice and so part straight from the pot, and you will see this one a lot in Hanoi, especially chilly day like today. This smell exactly like steamed corn, sweet, earthy, and comforting. It's warm. It's exactly like corn tea, sweet, watery, but it's not bland. Surprisingly drinkable. Corn juice is not only refreshing and easy to drink, but it also offers many health benefits. It helps to cool the body, detoxify, add a diuretic, reduce bloating, and even support weight loss thanks to its low-calorie content. It's not punch, not punchy, just chilling. It's very suitable for you to take a sip while you're walking. To rate this corn juice is the weirdest level. I think it's only 6 out of 10 because it chooses corn but liquid. But about the deliciousness, bonus point for this one because it's from the real corn. 8 out of 10. Alright, so 4 drinks already, and now we are hitting the last one for the weird and interesting, wonderful adventure. Now I'm diving into the classic Hanoi drink. That's where my own of the local in here, especially when the weather is hot. This is Vietnamese Dracontomelon juice, or known as Nước. This made with the fruit that looks like a tiny green apple and then preserved with sugar. This basically a sour bomb and then turns sweet and refreshing. My mission, see if this classic surprise me after all the crazy stuff we ever have. Wow, it punched my face. It's sour, sweet, and salty. It's like a war in my mouth and no one's winning. And this little dude right here is the cause of all the chaos. Fermented fruit, baby, it's like a pickle plum. with anger issue. Wow, it's tart, chewy, and sour. I feel like I bite into the sour bomb. And this one also judge your life choice. This whole challenge, I was expecting to suffer, but Hanoi keep hitting me with these unexpected delights. This is not your chill summer drink. This is your wake you up, slap you around, survive the heat kind of beverage. About the weight level, this is nice because actually this one is the brain until you get addicted. And then about the flavor, it's very special, around 8.5 because you can taste everything at all. Like sour, sweet, salty, and finally the summer refreshing. 10 out of 10. Because all of Hanoi people, they're drinking this one until the hot season because it just works. 5 weird drink, 0 regret, and 1 maybe confuse your stomach. But hey, if you think that one is weird and why, so let's follow me to see what I show you next. It's not even legal in some country. So hit that like button, drop the comment, and don't forget to subscribe.